Here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for, the unboxing video for the Backyard League Gaming Baseball. First, find a clean, sturdy surface, and let's get started. When you pick up the box, admire the awesome packaging and pop it open. As you pop it open, the first thing that you're going to see is the Smart Activity Tracking Sensor. We like to call it the brain. Go ahead and pull that out along with the corrugate insert and set those things both aside. Underneath that, you're going to find the ball. And then underneath that, you're going to find a small little bag that includes a multi-tool, some weight tuners if you choose to add more weight to the ball, some rubber gaskets, and then the battery.